I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you. What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, man, this one, I got lucky on. I got lucky on this one. I don't even know how this happened, honestly. I'm scrolling Twitter. Had to be Monday? I want to say this was Monday. I was scrolling on Twitter. I'm on Kicks Deals. And I happened to see a second chance listing for this shoe. It said second chance and it popped up. I said, oh, well, let me go see what's up. And I go, and it took me to the actual Nike sneakers website instead of going to the app. So I go to the website and this shoe is there and there was only like a 14 left. So I said, all right, not thinking there was any chance that I would get them because this shoe released, I want to say a few months ago, and sold out instantly. But I went, I hit the button, 14, put all my information in, boom, boom, boom. And next thing I know, it says purchased. What? I got them? Man, couldn't believe it. Because when they originally came out a few months ago, I was unable to get them. So, second chance, I got them. Retail. Didn't have to go to StockX or GOAT or anything. Retail. Under retail, actually. So, here we are with these, man. Let's go ahead and get into them. These are the Nike Air Max 90 Energy. Colorway is Sail Sheen Straw Medium Brown. Alright, size 14, of course. Boom. Alright, and the retail on these was $140. Alright, I was able to get them for a little bit less than that. Alright, now let's go ahead and get into these, man. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. Woo! The quality, oh my goodness, the quality. Let's get close. Let's get closer. Ooh. Look at the quality on this shoe, man. Oh my goodness. Look at that quality. Look at the leather. These are the Air Max 90 Bacon. Man, that is some good, top-notch quality. Look at the ends. Look at the ends of the leather on the ends. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that's such good quality, man. This is one of the best shoes that I've seen this year as far as quality. This is one of the best built shoes of the year. Nike did the damn thing. They did the damn thing on this shoe. Man, let me get the shoe tree up out of here, the paper up out of here. Wow. Look at the quality, man. Nice tumbled leather here. Woo. Everything. Oh, nice suede. Look at the suede. And then the nubuck. Oh man. This pink leather is probably the worst leather on here, but it's still good. It's still good, but it's of the materials that's on here, that pink is probably the worst. But man, oh man, oh man. This is a well-built shoe right here. Kudos to Nike for this one, man. Dang, yo. If you all know the story behind the Air Max Bacon, then you know how cool this shoe is, the significance of it. I watched that video on YouTube. If I can remember, I'll try to post a link to the actual creator, the guy that owned Dave's Quality Meats, who came up with the idea for this shoe. But that story is pretty awesome, and how this shoe came about. So after watching that a few times, and I feel a lot better about this shoe, because I didn't really plan to get it. I mean, after I struck out the first time, I kind of gave up. I was like, man, I guess I'm not going to get this shoe. But when I got it, I was like, man, did I need to have it? Did I need to have it? Did I have to get it? Now I'm like, yes. Yes, look at the quality. The story behind the shoe and the quality. Look at that Nike Air on the back. Yes. Yes. Nike on the tongue in the red behind that brown. Nike Air Max, it says pink tongue. The tongue is all pink. Alright. The laces. It just is the colors of bacon. It looks like bacon. Brown bottoms, you know. Air Max there. Pink Air unit. Alright. Very nice shoe. Very nice shoe. On the insole there, you can see it has that Nike Air. And the insole is the same color red as this here. Alright. Very dope. Very dope. Let's go ahead and pull out the right boy. Pull out the right boy. Right shoe. Second. Now on the right boy. On the right boy, there's really nothing different about this shoe. It's just that it comes with the extra laces. Okay? So you do have the red laces, and then you have the pink laces in addition to the tan laces that are in there. If I was going to switch the laces, I think I'd go with the pinks. I think I'd go with the pink if I was planning to switch the laces out. Right now, I think I'm leaving the tan in, but if I was going to switch, I'd go with the pink. Alright, now I always like to show you differences if I have a previous model of the same shoe, and in this case I do. This is a different Air Max 90 that I have. Very dope. This is that sunset colorway of the Air Max 90, that gradient, I believe these were called. Boom. Very dope. Very dope. Alright, but just for a comparison, the quality on these is pretty damn good too. But not like this. This is nuts. These is nuts right here. Man, these are the first pair of Air Maxes that weren't a pair of LeBrons that I ever had. But these are nuts, man. I really like these. I really like these a lot, man. Dang. I'm glad that there was a second chance. Who knew? Who knew? I just happened to be cruising the sneaker sites, and it came around, and I clicked it and I got it. Man, that leather up there. Ooh, ooh. Let me get the right boy out of here. But man, oh, it also comes there's more stuff in the box with these inserts. What are these? Anatomical arch supports. Okay, so if you need extra arch support, they do come in the box. All right, but anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Just wanted to give a quick look at the Air Max Bacon and show that I did have them in the house. Very dope. Very dope, man. Was it like that? Is it like this? I know it's one of the ways that you hold them together and it looks like you got some bacon. Like you got a slab of bacon. It's probably like that. How the pack of bacon looks. Very dope. Very dope shoe, man. Glad that I was able to get these. Kinda lucked up, not gonna lie. Lucked up to be able to get them directly from Nike and for retail. I don't know what the resale price is right now, but I would hope that it ain't ridiculous. So if you missed out, you will be able to go back and get them in a pretty decent price. Alright? But that's gonna do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.